All right, good day. First of all, I'd like to give praises to the Most High. And just whoever's listening and watching, thank you. Um, there's a little gripe of mine where I remember I had to get a Discover Pass just to park in a park and in a national park. And that really aggravated me because I never understood how somebody could own land. You know, and this all started when certain people who are backed by Manifest Destiny in a document of discovery. It all started when they decide, oh yeah, it's ordained by God to take this from you. And then a couple hundred years later, oh yeah, let's sell it. So let's sell it back to you. Or put you in little corners. What these people fail to realize, or just people in general, because we've been so brainwashed, is the land owns you. What happens when it snows? What do? What happens when it rains? What happens when there's a forest fire? Look at what's happening now in Hawaii. They can't stop that. Oh, yeah, there's been hearing of oh yeah, let's control the flow. Come on. It's just natural. And really think about it, there's been a real huge agenda against nature in of itself. We want to control it. But it's only illusion. Look up carbon and silicon. Now silicon, it's able to um, play with organic matter. There has been studies where silicon can incorporate organic matter, and silicon can also, you could actually make a life form. It's basic silicon. That's what crystals are. It's all information. Carbon. We all carbon-based life forms. Number is 666. Electrons, neutrons, and protons. Biblically, that's the mark of the beast. What are humans doing now? Just think about it. There has been a long going program to rape the earth of everything. You really think about it, this has been a cult of death. That's all it is. Look at the chemtrails, which are called atmospheric aerosol injections. with all the food. You can't even, like, it's hard enough to get natural shit now. You know? I find it funny where, you know, you have this proposed carbon tax. What is that? Is that taxing us? Get out of here, man. But yeah, this is just my ranting. How most of us are so damn stupid and so damn brainwashed to think that we can own land when land or Mother Earth at any moment say, gotta get out, gotta die. I mean, we tend to associate our ethics and morals to nature, and nature don't give a damn about your morals and ethics. It is what it is. You disrupt the balance is, the rebalancing is going to disrupt you. This is just natural law. All right. Thanks for listening. Take care.